Avoir is to have. To have. Okay. Very quickly, the conjugations. So it is J. It is supposed to be J A, but because there are two vowels and first is A, what you do is you do apostrophe. So you do J. Okay. So J, then tu as, il, elle, a, nous avons, vous avez, and ils ont, elles ont. Okay, now lots of liaison. So liaison, 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 liaison. Okay. J, simple, like an English name, J, right? J. Tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez. Although S is not between two vowels, you'll have to call it ils ont, elles ont. Okay? What does this translate?
I have.
Opal?
You have.
Yeah. Rohit?
He has, she has.
We have.
Riaz, what is this?
You have.
I told you.
All have.
You all have. Okay? Because the primary purpose of this is second person plural. And the another purpose is the respect.
They have.
Yeah, this is for muscular.
Masculine and feminine.
Right.
Yeah, respectively.
Like most of the European language, French is supposed to be sexist. So if there are like one boy and three girls, collectively they will become male plural. So you will address one boy and three girls as male plural, like in third person. One boy, one girl, again you will address them as male plural entity in third person. Only if there are like two girls or more, then you will say this part in third person. Okay? Unfortunately, that's how it is. I did not design it, so don't blame it on me. Possession. Okay? It's like I have a car. J'ai une voiture. Rohit, can you give me example of possession?
J'ai un ball.
J'ai un ball.
Une,
Yeah.
une ball.
Une ball. Une ball. This is a very nice thing. Vous avez un instant? Do you have a moment? So next time you are asking question, Riaz, you first ask this. Also, the good use of avoir is to say if something is hurting of your body. Avoir mal plus a plus body part. Okay, so that's the construction. Okay, and la tête is head, and you will use a definite article. For example, she is having headache. Okay, elle a, okay, that is avoir, mal a la tête. She is having headache. Okay, they are having headache. Ils ont
Ils ont mal
mal
à
la tête. So avoir, mal plus preposition a plus the definite article followed by body part. So I need to send you the list of body parts. Awesome. Which can have pain. Yeah, these are the very famous expressions. Okay. J'ai de la chance is to be lucky. Now you would say this should have been with être because in English we say I am lucky or you are lucky. So English uses to be verb. But in French we have avoir. It literal translation is I have some luck, but it means I'm lucky. Okay? How do you say Rohit is lucky?
Rohit a de la chance.
De la chance. Okay. Rohit a de la chance d'avoir un ami comme. Okay, so this means Rohit is lucky to have the avoir. So we say d'avoir a friend. You know this, right? From Sasekri Kom, right?
Yeah.
So it's
Como ça va?
right. No, that that is different. That is como.
Yeah.
That is como. That is how.
Oh.
This is com, which is like. J'ai besoin de. It's I need. What do you need most right now, Opal?
I need a Canadian visa.
Okay. Avoir besoin de plus whatever that you need. So let's construct a sentence. So who needs Opal? So Opal a avoir besoin de. Open the, by the way, just to tell you, the means of. Okay. Opal needs of. What Opal needs of? Le visa du Canada. Okay. So the plus le becomes du. So it will be du visa du Canada. So don't worry about this part. I'm gonna teach you that du, why it become du, and they are just using an adjective to describe the visa. So Canadian visa. Okay. You could also say visa of Canada. So nous avons, which is the avoir, besoin de, we need la liberté, which is the freedom. Okay. Nous avons besoin de boisson. We need a drink. Okay. So all you need is the word, okay, and the article, and then you will be able to create so many sentences of the type we need. Okay. You know, I think I downplay the fact that learning Spanish was so much beneficial, to be honest. As I said, I never made a mistake of calling this O or A, because A is always A for me. And I can see that you guys not noticing that right now, but I understand completely because you are coming from English. So it's gonna take time. So no worries. Here, j'ai envie de, it's followed by verb because it's activity. I feel like, I feel like doing a walk or doing a run, or I feel like working, or I feel like sleeping, or I feel like talking, or whatever, eating. So that is a verb, and we don't know the verbs yet. So let's not go on this. We'll come back to this. This is simple, which means I'm hungry. That's it. This is it. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. J'ai froid. I'm cold. Like I'm feeling cold. J'ai chaud. I'm feeling hot. Don't go on this. I'm not. This is not like I'm hot. Like I'm. I'm million woman. It's basically I'm feeling hot. Okay. This I will teach you if you don't improve after 1 month. So j'ai honte is also I'm ashamed. You can use j'ai honte just in isolation. I'm ashamed, but you can also use it with some extra, like I'm ashamed of. J'ai honte de. J'ai honte de quelque chose. Like I'm ashamed of something, and that will come later. But right now you can start using I'm ashamed, like j'ai honte, without specifying what you're ashamed of. Avoir l'air de. So you can even remove this. For example, I want to say you look tired. Okay. Tu as l'air. Tu as l'air. You look tired. Tu as l'air fatigué. Okay. It literally means, just to make sense of it, you have the air of. Air means air, little air, like, so bolte na is you have the like aura or air, you have the air of freshness, you are air of, so it's like that's how they literally use it. To a layer, you have the air of tiredness. Okay, so can you tell me now, Rohit, how do you say she seems or she looks interesting?
Elle a l'air
Elle a l'air
intéressant.
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 Yes, she looks interesting. Yeah. J'ai peur. I'm afraid. J'ai peur is I'm afraid. A simple thing. What's your age? Then you say I have years. These many years. So the way to answer that question is I have number of years. J thon sank on. So we are going to learn numbers soon. This means 35. And this is the word for years. On. Okay. So the simple way I can ask you questions like quel âge as-tu? What age do you have, or how old are you? This is the way to ask. And you say J whatever 30 ans. I'm 30 years old. And these guys ask that a lot. Okay, this is a very common question in France. Quel âge as-tu? What age you have? What age is âge? As-tu. We'll come to that question construction. We'll come to that sentence or question construction. This is just simple. J'ai raison, which means I'm right. Okay. Practical usage is, let's say you say something. For example, okay, let's agree on this. Trump est fou. Trump is crazy. Yeah, you guys can say tu as raison, which means you're right. Tu as raison. So this you can use a lot to reply in chat. If you agree with something, you can say je suis d'accord, I agree. Okay? Or you can say tu as raison. You're right. We are using être and we are using avoir. Raison means reason. La raison means reason. So you say you have reason. So that is you're right. Okay? J'ai soif is I'm thirsty. Like j'ai faim is I'm hungry. J'ai soif is I'm thirsty. And exactly opposite of tu as raison is tu as tort. Tu as tort, which means you're wrong. Okay? This is you're right, you're wrong. Tu as tort. That's it right now. We have enough vocabulary to use avoir and être. Okay, we saw the usage of both. There are more usages of both the verbs, but again, our knowledge of French is limited at this moment. So let's just practice these many usages. Okay.